Hello students, welcome to your WebSeek Academy English channel. Today, we are going to discuss the short story, The Model Millionaire, which is a part of the first semester BBA English syllabus. This interesting and inspiring story is written by the famous Irish author and playwright Oscar Wilde. A note on the author. Oscar Wilde, 1854 to 1900, was a versatile Irish writer of great wit and brilliance. He attended university in Dublin and in Oxford, and proved to be an outstanding student. In 1890, he began publishing short stories and wrote his only novel, The Picture of Dorian Gray. These brought him lasting recognition and are still widely read today. Known for his biting wit, flamboyant dressing style and glittering conversation, Wilde was one of the most well-known personalities of his day. He soon moved on to writing plays and became one of the most successful playwrights of the late Victorian era with a series of social satires, his masterpiece being The Importance of Being Earnest, 1895. The Model Millionaire Summary. Introduction. The Model Millionaire is a short story by Oscar Wilde that blends humor, irony, and moral lessons. The story highlights the importance of kindness and generosity while emphasizing the contrast between appearances and reality. It follows the life of a young man named Hughie Erskine, who is kind and charming but financially unstable. His small act of generosity unexpectedly brings him an immense reward, showing how good deeds can be repaid in surprising ways. 1. Introduction to Hughie Erskine. The story begins by describing Hughie Erskine, a handsome and kind-hearted young man. However, despite his good looks and charm, he lacks financial stability. Hughie is not very successful in any profession. He has tried several jobs, but none have worked out. He has no steady income and relies on a small allowance of £200 a year from an old aunt. Hughie is deeply in love with Laura Merton, the daughter of a retired colonel. Laura loves him back, but her father refuses to let them marry until Hughie secures £10,000 of his own. This creates a major obstacle in Hughie's life, as he struggles to find a way to earn that much money. 2. Visit to Alan Trevor's studio. Hughie has a friend named Alan Trevor, who is a talented but somewhat eccentric artist. One day, Hughie visits Trevor's studio and finds him painting the portrait of an old beggar. The beggar is dressed in tattered clothes, has a sorrowful face, and appears extremely poor. Hughie feels pity for the man and, without thinking much, gives him a sovereign, £1 coin. Since Hughie himself is struggling financially, this is a generous act on his part. The beggar accepts the money with a faint smile and a polite "thank you." Trevor watches this interaction but does not say anything at the moment. 3. The Big Revelation. That evening, Hughie visits Trevor again. Trevor bursts into laughter and tells him something shocking. The beggar was not a real beggar but Baron Hosberg, one of the richest men in Europe. Hughie is horrified and embarrassed. He had unknowingly given money to a millionaire, thinking he was poor. Hughie fears that Baron Hosberg might feel insulted by his small charity. However, Trevor finds the whole situation amusing. He tells Hughie that the Baron enjoys posing for paintings as a hobby and had agreed to be Trevor's model for the beggar portrait. 4. The Unexpected Reward. The next morning, Hughie receives a letter from Baron Hosberg's messenger. Inside the envelope, he finds a check for £10,000, the exact amount he needed to marry Laura. The Baron considers it a wedding gift for Hughie, rewarding him for his kind heart. Hughie is overjoyed and immediately rushes to Laura to share the good news. Soon after, Hughie and Laura get married, and Baron Hosberg even attends their wedding reception as a special guest. Conclusion. The Model Millionaire is a delightful short story that combines humor, irony, and a heartwarming message. It reminds us that true wealth lies in kindness and generosity, not just in money. Yugi's good heart ultimately earns him happiness and prosperity, proving that small acts of goodness can lead to life-changing rewards. This story remains one of Oscar Wilde's most popular short stories, loved for its simple yet powerful moral lesson. Themes and moral lessons. 1. Kindness and generosity bring rewards. Yugi's small act of generosity, even though he himself is struggling, ends up changing his life. The story teaches that good deeds never go unnoticed and that even small acts of kindness can lead to great rewards. 2. The contrast between appearance and reality. The beggar turns out to be one of the richest men in Europe, showing that appearances can be deceiving. This highlights the irony in life sometimes. Wealth is hidden, while poverty may not always be real. 3. Humor and irony. The story is filled with Will's signature wit and irony. The biggest irony is that Yugi, who needs money, gives charity to a millionaire, and in return, the millionaire gives him the exact amount he needs. The humor also comes from Yugi's reaction when he realizes his mistake. 4. Love and financial stability. The story also touches on how society values financial security in marriage. The Colonel's demand for £10,000 shows the practical concerns of marriage, but in the end, Yugi's kindness helps him achieve both love and stability. Short answer questions. 1. What did Laura's father expect from Yugi? Answer. Laura's father expected Yugi to have £10,000 of his own before allowing him to marry Laura. 2. Upon entering Trevor's studio, what did Yugi see? Answer. Yugi saw Trevor painting a portrait of an old beggar who looked very poor and miserable. 3. What did Yugi pay the beggar? Answer. Yugi gave the beggar a sovereign, £1 coin, out of pity. 4. Describe the physical appearance of Yugi. Answer. Yugi was handsome, charming, and good-natured, but he was not financially stable. 5. Why was Yugi not successful in life? Answer. Yugi was not successful in life because he lacked financial independence and was unsuccessful in every profession he attempted. 6. Yugi fell in love with. Answer. Yugi fell in love with Laura Merton. 7. Yugi inherited. And? From his late father. Answer. Yugi inherited good looks and charm from his late father. 8. Yugi's aunt gives the old beggar a gold sovereign. True/false? Answer. False. It was Yugi, not his aunt, who gave the gold sovereign to the beggar. Answer each of the following questions in about one page. 1. Comment on Trevor's attitude to art and to life. Answer. Trevor is a dedicated artist who takes his work very seriously. He enjoys painting people from different walks of life and does not hesitate to use the rich millionaire as a model for a beggar. His sarcastic and witty nature is evident when he teases Yugi about his mistake. However, he also has a kind heart, as seen when he informs Baron Hosberg about Yugi's generosity, which ultimately leads to Yugi receiving financial help. Trevor's attitude towards life is practical. He understands the struggles of money and success, unlike Yugi, who is naive about financial matters. 2. Do you think generosity of spirit is an important character trait to have? Justify with reference to the story above. Answer. Yes, generosity of spirit is an important trait to have. In The Model Millionaire, Yugi gives money to a beggar despite being poor himself. His kindness is later rewarded when the beggar turns out to be a millionaire who gives him £10,000. This shows that acts of kindness, even when unnoticed at first, can bring unexpected rewards. The story teaches that genuine generosity is valuable and can change lives in surprising ways. 3. Describe Hughie and Trevor's relationship. Answer. Hughie and Trevor are good friends despite their differences. Hughie is kind-hearted but financially struggling, while Trevor is a practical and successful artist. Trevor often teases Hughie but also genuinely cares about him. He enjoys Hughie's company and even helps him indirectly by informing Baron Hosberg about his generosity. Their friendship is built on mutual respect, humor, and understanding. 4. What kind of a person do you think the Baron is? Answer. Baron Hosberg is wealthy but humble and kind. Despite being one of the richest men in Europe, he agrees to pose as a beggar for a painting. Instead of being offended when Hughie gives him money, he appreciates the young man's generosity. His true character is revealed when he gives Hughie £10,000, showing that he values kindness over wealth. He is not arrogant or proud but rather enjoys simple things, such as helping someone who has a good heart. 5. Who, in Trevor's opinion, rules the world? What does it tell us about him? Answer. Trevor believes that millionaires rule the world, as seen when he tells Hughie that Baron Hosberg can buy all of London tomorrow. This shows that Trevor is practical and understands the power of money in society. Unlike Hughie, who is more emotional, Trevor sees the reality of wealth and influence in the world. However, he also respects true kindness, as he admires Hughie's generosity. Answer each of the following questions in about 2 pages. 1. What is the central idea of the story, The Model Millionaire? Answer. The central idea of The Model Millionaire revolves around the themes of generosity, appearances versus reality, and unexpected rewards. Oscar Wilde uses the story to highlight how kindness and goodheartedness are more valuable than wealth. Hughie Erskine, the protagonist, is a charming but financially unstable young man. Despite his struggles, he remains kind and compassionate. When he visits his friend Alan Trevor's studio, he sees a poor beggar posing for a painting. Feeling sympathy for the old man, he gives him a gold sovereign, £1 coin, even though Hughie himself is not well off. The twist in the story comes when Hughie learns that the beggar is actually Baron Hosberg, one of the richest men in Europe. Instead of being offended, the Baron is amused and touched by Hughie's generosity. He later sends Hughie a check for £10,000, allowing him to marry his love, Laura Merton. This plot demonstrates that kindness and generosity can lead to great rewards. Hughie does not give money expecting anything in return, yet he is unexpectedly rewarded for his good heart. Another key idea in the story is the contrast between appearance and reality. Hughie assumes that the beggar is poor, but in reality, he is a millionaire. This ironic contrast teaches an important lesson. Wealth does not always look the way we expect, and true value lies in a person's character rather than their outward appearance. Overall, Wilde delivers a humorous yet meaningful message: generosity and kindness matter more than material success, and life often rewards those with a good heart in unexpected ways. 2. How does Wilde use the character of the millionaire beggar to explore themes of identity and appearance in The Model Millionaire? Answer. Oscar Wilde masterfully uses the character of Baron Hosberg, the millionaire beggar, to explore the themes of identity, appearance, and deception in The Model Millionaire. At first glance, the Baron appears to be a poor, miserable beggar, wearing ragged clothes and looking sorrowful. However, in reality, he is one of the wealthiest men in Europe. This contrast creates dramatic irony, where the reader, like Hughie, is tricked by the character's outward appearance. Through this character, Will challenges the idea that wealth and status are always visible. Hughie believes that rich people must always look elegant and well-dressed, but the Baron's disguise proves that appearances can be deceiving. The Baron's role also raises questions about identity. Despite being wealthy, he chooses to dress as a beggar for an artist's painting. This suggests that wealth is not the only thing that defines a person's identity is more complex than social class or financial status. The Baron enjoys playing different roles, showing that he is not bound by society's expectations of how a rich man should behave. Moreover, the Baron's response to Hughie's kindness reveals his true nature. Instead of being offended or mocking Hughie, he rewards him with a generous wedding gift of £10,000. This act suggests that wealth alone does not make a person valuable. Compassion and generosity are equally important traits. Will uses the Baron's character to make a deeper point about judging people by appearances. Society often judges individuals based on their clothing, wealth, or status, but Will reminds us that true identity goes beyond external looks. In the end, the Baron, despite being a millionaire, proves to be a model of generosity, showing that the real value of a person lies in their actions, not their outward image. Thus, through the character of the millionaire beggar, Will skillfully challenges stereotypes, exposes the superficiality of social judgments, and emphasizes the deeper values of kindness and generosity. 3. Explain the significance of the title, The Model Millionaire. Answer. The title The Model Millionaire carries a double meaning and plays a crucial role in understanding the story's themes. Firstly, the word model refers to a person who poses for an artist's painting. In the story, Baron Hossberg acts as a model for Alan Trevor's portrait of a beggar. This creates irony because the beggar is not a real beggar, he is, in fact, a millionaire. Thus, the title humorously refers to a millionaire posing as a beggar model. Secondly, the word model also means an ideal or perfect example. By the end of the story, Baron Hossberg proves to be a model millionaire in a different sense. He is generous, kind, and willing to reward good-hearted people like Hughie. Unlike other rich people who might be arrogant or selfish, the Baron is presented as a millionaire who uses his wealth to help others, making him a model of what a rich person should be. The title also reflects the irony and contrast between appearance and reality, which is a major theme in the story. A millionaire disguised as a beggar is unexpected, just as Hughie's small act of charity leading to a fortune is an ironic twist. Furthermore, the title suggests that true wealth is not just about money, it is about generosity and kindness. The Baron's actions make him a model of how a wealthy person should behave, emphasizing that riches should be used to bring happiness to others, not just for personal luxury. Thus, the title The Model Millionaire is both humorous and meaningful, capturing the essence of Will's story that wealth is not just about money, but about character, generosity, and the ability to recognize true goodness. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Webseek Academy for more English lessons and notes. See you in the next video. Until then, think big and win big.